NU-VUE Window Films recently installed films at my home. So Greg McKay is back in to check with us about what it's like for us to live with those window films. Greg, great to have you on the show today.
Thank you for having me.
Now, these window films have made such a difference for us. I knew it was going to be a change, but I didn't realize how much it was going to change our enjoyment of our home and our life. Is that a common thing that you hear from people?
Once we put the films on there, it is the comment that we get.
I knew that to expect great things. We've worked, with you as a pro for such a long time, but we had, we'll describe the job. We had large windows in our stairwell, west facing.
Yes.
And then our front, the front of our home, and that stairwell would get baking hot. Right? Is that kind of a common job that you would do? Did not needing to do the whole home, but just the ones that are the west facing?
Yeah, we have a lot of customers, and when we go out and talk with them, we'll consult with them and just discuss the windows that are giving them issues, having a lot of heat coming through, UV rays coming through. We start with those windows first, and then that's generally the west side and the south side.
Yeah, and some of the things that we noticed and that we know are going to change now is we had floor fading, and our photos were faded terribly, and the heat, as I said, in that area. All of that is gone. Then we had our blinds closed in that stairwell with a beautiful view gone all the time. Now our blinds are open.
Yes.
It's almost like you gave us a new view.
Yes.
Is that maybe why you named the company
That's
that?
why we named it NU-VUE, because that is your new view on there. But yeah, so many people live with closed blinds throughout the day, and open up the windows, enjoy your view.
Yeah, we've seen that difference, that lifestyle difference. Warranty. What kind of a warranty do we have?
It's a manufacturer's lifetime warranty. It's not just our warranty. It's a manufacturer's warranty for as long as you own the house. That's against peeling, bubbling, basically anything goes wrong with it. If it doesn't look as good as the day we put it on, 2 years, 2 months, we'll replace it.
And another thing I want to mention quickly is the team that you had that installed them were so skilled, so wonderful. They're artisans. The average person, how much training do they have?
Well, our top installer, he's been doing it for 27 years, and our other installers around 10 years.
And you can tell from the work that they've done. My advice to you is if you don't have window films, you should really look into it. Let NU-VUE give you a free consultation. Call them today, get started free, and call them at 619-663-3664 or find them on ApprovedHomePros.com.